All right, good afternoon.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Welcome back, TD Markets Academy CPI, US CPI Live. Yeah?
Yeah. It's good to be with everybody. Welcome.
Absolutely. Before we get started, remember the information shared and discussed in this session should not be construed as advice.
Yes.
My man, you will hear that I'm fast tracking this because I just wanna get the guys to wish you a happy birthday.
Oh, here we go.
Guys, this is my brother's birthday today. Ashley Reeve. You know, I can see Tandy got the memo, but my brother, I know I said this, but I'm gonna say it again in front of Pamkwabantu. That's what they say. Pamkwabantu, you know.
Everyone.
Definitely. My man, happy birthday.
Thank you, bro.
I told you it's a very important, special day.
Yeah.
And may God be with you.
Thank you, my brother. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Let's all wish Ash a happy birthday, guys. Yeah, I'm happy and excited like it's my birthday.
Hey, man, it's always nice to hear that, my brother. Thank you, man.
100%. Yep, we are back. The US CPI analysis, inflation data out of the US. We had the NFP last week. Now this week it's all about inflation.
Minus 23,000.
Yeah, that's shocking.
Minus 23,000.
Look at the chat, Ash.
Warm.
Yeah. Happy birthday. Blessings.
Thanks, community. Thank you, guys. Shara, I see the guys. They're beautiful, man. That's a community right there.
Of course.
That's a community right there, man. Thanks, guys.
We like seeing this. This is what we like to see.
Yeah, absolutely.
Uncle Ash. We're waiting for King. King's gonna say something.
The Malume, something
Malume Rangwan.
Listen, what is you said Pamkwat? What?
No, Pamkwabantu.
Pamkwabantu.
Yeah.
In everyone. It means everyone.
Yeah, it means everyone. It means everyone.
Pamkwabantu.
Yeah. Oh. Yes, sir. Look, who do we have? We've got another Kingsley. Another one.
But it's not the king.
It's not the king. It's not the king. All right, so we've got Aaron, Jules, Mark standing by, definitely. We've got some new people, Tanya, Kula, AV Trader, Knight, Wilbert. The usual suspects are back, Ash.
They are back.
The
suspects.
The chat is warm with this is what we like to see, definitely. All right. It is a Wednesday, the 12th.
Yes.
I'm not gonna forget this day. You'll see for years to come. Not because of the CPI. I'm not gonna forget this day. Last week it was my cousin's birthday. Actually. 6 days.
6 days.
Before 6 days ago.
So it's half.
On the 6th of August.
Got you.
My cousin Tumisang's birthday.
Tumisang, shout out.
Yes, sir. All right. We need money for cake.
That's how I say it. Makuku.
No, what's that?
Cake. Isn't it cake?
No, remove the mu.
Is it just cook?
Yeah. Kuku. But when you say it sounds wrong.
Does it sound wrong?
Yeah. Let's just say birthday cake.
Let's just say birthday cake. Hey, everybody online, we're saying birthday cake, All right.
Yeah. Hey. All right. So the energy's up.
Yeah.
Energy's up. It's all about inflation this week.
Yes.
It's been a good week. How's your week been, my man?
Hey, man, surprisingly, man, the past 2 days, excruciatingly cold. Very interesting how we just turned sour. I'm not actually, the rain as well, bro. Like, it's normally windy, but the rain was surprising to me.
Yeah, this side on Monday it was raining. Yesterday it wasn't.
What, like cats and dogs, or what was it? Was it like?
Yeah, well, not cats and dogs, but it was that cold rain.
Cold rain.
Yeah, cold rain.
Got you.
Down there, your side, was it raining yesterday?
Yeah, it was. And that wind, man, is insane. The wind is insane. But but you know what, bro? At the end of the day, fine. It is what it is. It's cold, but we're alive, isn't it so, bro?
Of course. And it's a blessing.
It's a blessing, man. It's a blessing being alive, man.
So definitely. All right, but we hope that you guys are warm wherever you are. We are in Joburg. Wherever you
Yes.
are, hope that you're warm.
And it is warm here by us right now inside.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
at least,
definitely.
at least.
Yeah. I can see. Yeah, we are rocking. We are rocking. All blacks.
Yeah, all blacks. Hey, not that all blacks. New Zealand. Eh?
Not that one.
Yeah, not that one.
All right. Yeah, I think let's get the party charted, like Ray likes to say.
Like Ray would say.
Let's get the party charted. So, the US CPI, if you're joining us for the first time, we've just hit 6K subscribers.
Beautiful, man.
That deserves an air horn.
Yeah.
Thank you for subscribing. If you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe, like, share. We do this at every NFP and CPI release.
Yes.
All right. And I think let's get right into it, my man.
Should we?
What do you
Should
say?
we? Yeah, I think so too.
All right.
I
let's
think
go.
so too. All right. So CPI guys, for the guys that are joining us for the very first time, many of the guys that are with us or have been with us or is with us, you guys know how we do at this point of the stream. We just give a bit of education in terms of defining a little bit more in context what the CPI is. It stands for Consumer Price Index. It's basically a measure of how fast prices of everyday things are changing. All right. Think of it as a cost of living thermometer, if you will. It looks at things people commonly spend on. I'll give you a few examples: housing and rent, food, fuel, cars, travel, healthcare, and so forth. All right. And how traders read the CPI, the most important thing is usually not just whether CPI is high or low, but whether it is higher or lower than expected. All right. So the expectation versus the actual is what me and T is going to look at for. All right. So let's say the inflation is a bit hotter, meaning higher than expected. The Federal Reserve can keep the interest rates higher for longer. And we do know that that has been the topic for the longest time for the past few months, because of the oil price, the Middle East tension. So everything is kind of like a knock-on effect, okay? And I think you get knock-on in rugby as well. Am I right, bro?
Yeah.
Somewhere
in
there,
every
né?
sport, yeah.
As a knock-on. Né? And then obviously the opposite is true, guys. If the inflation is weaker or cooler, then the Fed has more room to cut the rates, all right? And that's what Trump wants. Trump wants those lower rate cuts, okay? And T and myself, we actually chatted about that last week, Friday. Now, one thing that we also need to understand is that the headline CPI versus the core CPI. The headline one is it includes everything, including food and energy. But the core CPI, it removes the food and energy because their prices can obviously move around a lot. So traders often watch both, but the core CPI is important for understanding the inflation pressure. All right. And then lastly here, there'll be a monthly versus a yearly CPI. It's normally two numbers. The monthly CPI, the month on month, is how much prices, needless to say, over the previous month. So now's August, we're looking at July, all right? And then the annual CPI, year on year, how much prices have changed compared with the same month last year, all right? So guys, what this means for the Fed is, if CPI is higher, it means inflation is a little bit higher. Those Feds can obviously raise those rates in September as forecasted, or if it comes out lower, then they may not. So this is a very important reading today.
Absolutely. And when you look at the data right now, so a headline core or headline CPI month on month, plus 0.1% expected from a negative 0.4%. Headline CPI year on year, 3.4% market expectation from 3.5%. All right. And then you've got your core CPI. I spoke about core CPI. Core CPI month on month plus 0.2%. Core CPI year on year 2.5%. Okay. All right.
Yep.
So core CPI becomes very important. You know, in this morning's trading room, Ash, I told you guys just a rough, breakdown of how one would look at CPI. Right. Yeah. I told them about the basic relationship of all of those reports. There, your core and your higher than expected inflation. That means the Fed might be more hawkish, which will then result in yields pushing higher, the dollar pushing higher, and that's gonna weigh on gold, right? And then lower than expected inflation. That would mean the Fed would be more dovish, which means yields might suffer, might go down, the dollar might go down, and then that might gold might benefit on that. Yeah.
Got you.
And then also just to add on what you said there, Ash, right? What's important is actually asking whether the data change expectation for the Fed's next move, right? We've got these prints that are coming out, right? The real question here is whether the data change we see, will it change expectations for the Fed's next move?
For the next move.
And now we know that the Fed is expected to hike rates in September, maybe in September.
Yes.
Right? We don't know how aggressive they're going to do that, but just in September, yeah?
Those percentages, I mean, it went from 40% to 60%. And that can also tell us how eager they are to actually cut those rates.
Yep.
So 60% is, okay, it's not a high number, but it's a number up there, I suppose.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, so that also gives us a sign.
And the pressure from the president.
Yes.
You know, he wants to cut.
So he wants to cut to hike, sorry.
Yeah. So the 60% chance that they're going to hike.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So for the cut, the president wants the cut.
He wants the cut.
Hey, man, how would you react if you're in that seat, Ash?
As a president?
Yeah, as the Fed chair, would you listen to the president, or would you go with the Fed's mandate?
Just, bro, I'll give you my honest view. I don't know at this point. I don't know, bro. I would have to be in that seat. I mean, I can give a nice opinion and we can dress it up professionally, right? But, bro, I do think it's pressure. Heavy pressure. I'm understating it. But I don't know, bro, to be honest with you. But I would want to follow the most right road, which is the more integral side.
There you go. You mentioned something very important.
Yeah.
And I think that's what the current Fed chair is doing right now. He said that the markets must not lean on the forward guidance and the hints. They must follow the incoming data,
data,
inflation, CPI, PCE, right?
Yes.
So they still remain data dependent.
And I think that's the most right road at this point. Although, remember we said, you know, the data can magically be in favor of a cut.
Yeah.
Magically.
Magically.
Minus 23,000. I can't forget that, bro. It's just
crazy.
It's just insane. So with that being said, if it's less jobs, there's less spending going around because they're not getting salaries. There's no wages, as an example, according to what we're seeing. All right. But let's see.
Let's see. Also, retail sales should suffer. Right?
It should. Yeah.
If there was no jobs and salaries.
Exactly.
You know. But so guys, this is basically what the CPI is. A bit of nuggets there and the data we are waiting for.
Yes.
All right. September, the next FOMC meeting is gonna be important.
Very.
And this print here. Yeah.
This one's gonna be key.
See trouble coming, and in a good way and a bad way. All right. Let's see. Tato says, Ash, is it 10 years today? 10 years off?
Ash, is it 10 years?
I'm not sure.
Give me some more. Yeah, give me some more context.
Yeah. You know, some more context. Hey, welcome, guys. Yeah, no. It's a very special day today. Yep. Very special day. All right.
Yeah, well, guys, this is nice, man. So there's quite a few guys here, yeah?
Yeah, we've got 60 watching us live. We've got about, I don't know how many are the likes, 12 likes.
Yeah, put the likes up, guys.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Put the likes up,
Let's
guys.
pump those likes up. All right. So then let's get to how we do things, right?
Yes.
If you're joining us for the first time, I'm going to explain how we do things. So we are obviously going to look at the assets in question, which is the commodities as well as the dollar pairs, right? We might look at the indices there, so forth and so on. So what we're going to do is we are focusing on scalping the data, right? That's our style, scalping. We are not looking to enter before the data, but once the data has come out. All right, that's how we do it. There's no problem in taking the trade before. We prefer to do it this way. We wait for the data to come out, the reaction, and then we look for opportunity. All right. So what we're gonna do is, you guys are gonna see gold, silver, USD, JPY, and then some other dollar pairs. Our time frames is going to be the minute time frames, but we can still go to the hourly time frames, right? But you're going to focus on the minute time frames. We wait for the data to come out. We wait for the first 5 minutes or M15 candle to react. And then once they close, we're gonna see. We're gonna look for opportunities after that. Yeah. So let me just drink some.
Check. Yeah, you know, they there, but I think Tato is onto something there, so
What happened?
just check there.
You seeing the gray hairs here?
Check what Tato says there.
They removed the hair, Joe. Amen.
Yeah.
I don't know what he's. Nah, we don't have gray hair, guys. I mean, look at Ash, look at myself. You'll probably see myself some other time. But you don't have, yeah.
Hilarious.
You don't have. So that's what we're gonna do, right? So we're waiting for the initial reaction. We wanna observe how the reaction is after the data, and then gonna look for our levels, do the analysis until we come across a good opportunity, right? There's a question, why after? And the point is to catch the spike, just asking. Kulekani, there's many ways you can do this, all right? There's many ways to trade the news. So what we do is we understand your way where you're going to catch the initial reaction. But with our style and also the risks involved, right? We are looking for the initial reaction first, and then we're gonna look for the trade after. It's more or less the same, but I do understand what you mean there when you say the point is to catch the initial spike. But we want to catch that after that spike has happened. All right. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm checking these guys here. Zandile, they got to stay young.
Yeah, definitely.
They died as well. Check Intel, they died as well.
They dye our hair. Yo, now we don't do that. We don't. Well, guys, look, this is all natural. This is all natural. Gray hair, not now. This is not the time for that. Not the time for that.
Just on something there for Kulukani. Yeah, I think T said it nicely. There's lots of ways to scalp. There's lots of ways to scalp, and that spike, once that spike is done, price could be going down even further below the spike, and that's what you can also catch. So I hear your question, but yes, there are different ways too. I totally agree with that.
Yeah, definitely. And if you've been watching the news for some time, for years, you would notice that there are times where the market would spike up, spike down, and then it would stop. It would hunt stop losses on either end and then only move.
Yeah.
So that is the perfect scenario we're looking for the market to finish that and then to move after that. And that puts you in a position where you are able to hold your trade for a couple of hours,
Yes.
if not the whole day, the whole afternoon.
Yeah.
So that's how we do it. All right. Great stuff. So let's have a look at what we have here, Ash. Do you have anything from your side first before?
I have the gold price. I have the gold price, bro. Below 4382. If we get a stronger dollar here today, 4382.
4382.77.
And then the guiding light there, the lighthouse, guys, remember anywhere even before the zone, 4282.39.
4282.39.
Yeah. Something like that. Yeah, there we go. And that guys can decide what they would like to do, but I think there would be a low there at 4282. So anything below 4382. Oh wow, 4382, 4282. Yeah. So anywhere below 4382, the guys from a scalping angle, they can get out. I mean, if someone has 10 standard lots versus 5 versus 3, there's a difference in what they're going to profit.
Of course. I think I'm leaning towards a stronger dollar on this one.
Does it look, because there's a lot of divergence at that top there.
I still have the divergence.
The divergence is still there. So let's see if at least we get a stronger dollar this time, because last week was crazy.
Yeah, it was crazy. That was weaker dollar, right? So guys, we're not saying there's going to be a stronger dollar.
Yeah.
Let's just wait.
You wait first. Wait for the data.
Yeah, wait for the data first. Okay, so gold, I think we're looking good on gold. let me see what we have on silver. Oh, wait. Before we get to silver, you just been checking gold.
Yeah, I've just been checking gold, and then I do have Euro USD and GBP USD. Do you want me to push quickly? Okay.
Yeah.
So below 1.15.
That's euro.
Euro, yeah. 1.157.
177.
Yeah. Below that area. Then the zone 1.14556.
14556.
Yes.
1.14556.
And that's it. That's the
Got you.
that's it. And that's a nice quick move, a new low, and that's it.
Got you. All right. And GBP USD, you wanna hui that one as well?
Yeah, actually, yeah. Let me do that, bro. 1.34.
1.34.
944.
944.
The guiding light there is to about 1.34525.
525.
Yeah.
All right.
There we go.
Great stuff. All right. So we are looking for the levels, guys, right? The conversation is still ongoing. They're fresh, my dog. Oh, okay. No, those are the greetings. There's another question from Kulekani. Let's see there. I've noticed that at times the hour after the spike, the market would move twice as much. So makes sense. Yeah, you see, that's some of the things we're looking for.
Yeah.
Some of the things we're looking for.
And that's a very good question there, Kulukani.
Yeah,
so
definitely.
It's a very good question, all right?
Definitely. Absolutely. All right. We are less than 5 minutes away from the data. Okay, so we looked at Euro USD, GBP USD, gold.
And gold.
I just want to check USD, JPY, and silver.
As always, we can't leave out the UJ.
Of course.
The UJ is our guy. You guys know that by now, yeah?
Yeah. Never mess with the UJ. All right. So with the UJ, I've got 158.999. 8.999.
All right. Hold on, bro. Let me just do this. I just want to get to it. 158?
0.999.
All right. I see you. Okay.
In fact, no,
I got a 928.
Oh, wait. It's 158.909. So you said 928.
If it breaks 928, because I think it would break it. There's a spike below that.
Yeah.
So if it breaks 158.928, that's a brilliant push to the downside.
Yeah, that's a zone we are on, basic. I mean, the zone we mentioned.
Yes.
Right.
That's it's a brilliant zone.
All right. And then we got 159.448. So a break towards the upside, that will be the area to break.
Okay, got you.
All right. So
that's actually a very nice move, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually a very nice move.
Towards the downside or upside?
Yeah, down. But I mean, if we get a stronger dollar, it's
Yeah.
different. It's obviously we push to the upside, right?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Okay, so do you want something that's down or up? Because I have that down, which is 158.928.
So you've got 928, yeah, and then you have another level
one below that if we get a weaker dollar. So I'm prepped for both sides.
Sure.
All right. So one below is 158.400.
I see it.
You see that?
Okay.
You see. So that would be the push to the downside if we get a weaker dollar.
Got you. All right. Okay. I think we onto something here. I've got a feeling that gold is gonna move.
Yeah.
Yeah, where it is like this, whether it's gonna go up or down, but it is gonna move. Okay, that feeling. But yeah, we're on to it.
So okay, and then pro dollar. Yeah, for UJ.
For UJ pro dollar. So I've got 159.44 or 159.500. Wait, 448. 159.448. So
okay.
if it breaks that, we're gonna look for another level above that. Yeah.
Okay.
But that's the level where if it breaks, we could possibly push towards the upside. Let me see if I have. Yeah, it's on the next structure, which is around 160.6.
Okay.
Let's say 800.
Okay.
Yeah, 160.800.
Okay,
Yeah,
got it.
all right.
Okay.
Cool stuff. All right. So, guys, we are close to the release of the report. right? This is the US CPI. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. We do this every CPI, every NFP live stream. The focus for today and this week is US inflation. All right, we are ready with our analysis. We're waiting for the report to come out. Less than 2 minutes. Less than a minute now.
Yeah.
So let's go. Let's go.
And guys, if whatever happens, we'll adapt.
Of course. Yeah.
Whatever happens, we'll adapt to the price.
100%. All right. We have about 78 people. Are you guys ready? Ready? We're almost there.
Almost.
All right. Let's go.
How many seconds left there? It's already moving. Look at that.
30 seconds.
It's already moving.
Yeah, it's already moving now.
And it's weaker dollar with the UJ. UJ is going down.
There's about 20 seconds and counting. Okay.
So look at that. Look, that's going down.
Yeah.
Weaker dollar. Well, before.
All right, there we go. It's gonna come out just now. Yeah, so gold, USD JPY is going down, gold is going up. 5 seconds and counting. We are almost there. Boom.
That
Right.
weaker dollar. Look at that UJ. It probably hit the take profit already, bro. But the gold is doing something different.
All right.
There's a rejection. Oh, there's a rejection. Big rejection.
See that?
Look at that rejection. What's the figures, bro?
Let's have a look at the figures.
What's the figures? Because I'm not saying.
I'll tell you just now. All right. So 3.4% CPI year on year, 3.4%. Core CPI month on month, 0.2%.
Stays the same.
2.5%.
Pending month on month.
That month on month, the same. Same. So guys, listen to this, right? Core CPI month on month. Forecast was 0.2%. It came out 0.2%. Core CPI month on month. Forecast was 2.5%. Came out 2.5%. Everything is the same. Everything's the same. This reaction might be short-lived, Ash.
Exactly. Where the dollar strengthens here. Because it looks like it's the technicals that's taking over here. It's not the fundamentals. So we are still in the skin here with a stronger dollar. The gold is coming down. The euro dollar is coming down. GBP is coming down. NZD USD is coming down. So we may still have some skin. So it needs to break those levels.
It needs to break those levels.
If it can just break them, all good. Good.
So guys, we're looking at the dollar is strong at the moment. Now, this is what we're talking about when you say we don't enter before. You see that spike there. So price moved, but now it's rejecting, right? So that's not what we want. Looking at that, okay, so gold. Looking at that USD JPY Ash, the market rejected that to 158.909. That zone you spoke about twice now. Rejection twice. So let's see.
I'm telling you that, I'll be honest with you, bro. The UJ to me, I'm not particularly.
You're not feeling it.
Yeah, I'm not attracted to it at all. It's more the gold because the setups are clearer than that of the UJ at this point in time.
Got you.
I mean, the UJ just spiked to the downside.
The UJ spiked to the downside. Yeah.
It spiked to the downside and then it came up again. Look at that. It's got uncertainty there. You see. Versus the others that looking way more. Yeah, it's got two spikes now at the bottom.
2 spikes at the bottom, yeah.
Exactly. But then you go to gold. It's still above that support level. Euro dollar is still above GBP, but there's no big spikes there. It's just GBP USD has a spike, but it's not broken that high there.
Not as yet, yeah.
Not as yet, you see. And that spike came before we even had the CPI come out. That spike was already there in the hour candle. Remember, now it's 14:33. So that spike came during the first half of 2 o'clock. You see.
Got you.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that GBP USD is in the middle now. It's spiked up, spiked down. It's in the middle now.
Yeah. So let's see. Let's give it some time. I mean, as we normally do.
So guys, so this is the situation now, right? Now the data came out exactly as market forecasted. So a few scenarios now here. Either the reaction is going to be muted, and then maybe later on the market will then find its rhythm and then move, or we won't have enough volume, enough volume. So if it was either, a hot CPI or a soft CPI, we would have had massive movements by now. So this approach here, it needs us to just wait a little bit, right? We don't react the same way with every news release, depending on what the market forecast was. So this one needs us to just be patient a little bit, and I think
because I mean at this point there's still so much divergence at the top of the euro dollar, the pound dollar. There is divergence there. Oof. So let's see.
All right, so now interesting now here, Ash. So we're on the 15 minutes on gold and silver. You see that spike down, it never broke that level below. So it's in between the two levels, the one above and the one below. It's stuck there. So we don't have a break at the moment. The same with silver, don't have a break. USD JPY don't have a break as yet. So we need to just wait a little bit.
Even the GBP, the GBP USD, right? It's rejecting at that top there. Like it's really rejecting at the top. In fact, if the GBP USD can come and close below, maybe just put a level there, 1.35.
Yeah, 1.35.
275. It's now testing that resistance. So if we close beneath and reject, that becomes a very good point for us to work from.
I see what you're talking about. And okay, so Euro USD, I think we might look at Euro USD the same as well, because there's a consolidation there. So price is at the top of the consolidation at 1.1547. 1.1547. That's where it is right now. So
I'm not convinced that we're going up yet. It just looks like there's still so much divergence right now, bro.
Yeah, no, let's wait on that divergence.
I'm not convinced that we're going up yet.
Let's wait on the divergence. So guys, look at what's happening, guys, right? This is exactly what you talk about. CPI is known for that aggressive move most of the times, but now it's a different story altogether, right? So then what do you do here? You need to understand when you most likely going to have something like this. Like, this is a good example or case in point. The figures came out as market expected, so the reaction is muted right now. Nothing is happening. And there's a question there again from Kulekani. Nice question. If the data came out the same, this means the market will continue as it was. So number one, same data as market forecast, right? It means number one, the reaction could be limited, could be muted, right? That's point number one. Point number two, is the market gonna continue in its direction? Well, that will depend on the technicals. Like Ash said, it seems like technicals are taking over right now, right? So that will depend on the technicals, on whether there could be a reversal or a continuation, right? But right now, I think the technicals are taking over here. Yeah,
technicals will take, and again, guys, just remember, right? Like, for example, that gold, there's that support 4382. We've not gone beneath that, so therefore we can't just sell.
Yeah.
If anything, the CPI, if it was great and it was dollar pro, it would have broken beneath that area for us to sell, and it would have fast-tracked the technicals. Remember, technicals, it either gets fast-tracked within that same direction, or it delays by it creating an opposing structure, and then it pushes up later on. That's what fundamentals can help do. It helps speed up the technical chart, basically. At this point, because it's all unchanged, it is slowed down, all right? That's why we're saying it's muted. It's kind of just flatlining in the same area that it is at this point in time.
Yes.
We would have liked to see the NOS button, the nitrous button being pressed and activated, but you can clearly see that this spikes is still inside of that range. That's what's going to get the guys to sell the spike, as an example. And then the price goes the other way, hits stop losses, grabs liquidity, and then goes the way it should be going. All right. So just watch out for that. Yeah.
So we just spoke about the Fed, the next meeting, and how that's going to be important. But this data also going to be important. So, and I'm connecting what you said about the NFP, where it was shocking.
Yeah.
And now CPI. Do you think, I might be controversial here, but please don't clip me, guys. Do you think there's a manipulation here of some sort, Ash, on these figures? Because already NFP for 2 reports, NFP has been weak. The last CPI print was okay, but now because we go into the Fed to the meeting in September, and this data is going to be important to influence the Fed's decision. This data, why do I have a feeling that there's a force behind? Hey, I don't know. Maybe it's just my mind playing with me. Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, bro, I think it's a fair question because, it's coincidental that
it's coincidental. That's the word I'm looking for. Yeah.
It's coincidental that it's doing what it's doing now. So I wouldn't put it past anything, bro. Honestly, I would not. And I mean, one can always go back and look at the data economically. You can, there is so much that we can do to, find information about why it's supposedly doing what it's doing and so forth. And there's lots of analysts that's going to give us fantastic information. And it could very well mean exactly what they're saying, right? But it still does not move the fact that it just doesn't seem right. Irrespective if there is, a specific answer behind it. I mean, GBP USD right now at this point, it's unchanged. All right. I'm looking at some of the other pound pairs now, and I'm trying to establish if there's any correlation. The GBP yen, no. It's geared more towards the downside now. The GBP CAD seems a little bit bullish. All right. But I think if we just give it maybe until 14:45, let that 15-minute close, and then we see maybe what the technicals do. I mean, just look at the GBP USD. It's above that area that we spoke about.
Yeah, it's currently above that area.
Exactly.
I think it's a good idea to wait for the M15 candle to close. So at 2:45, when the candle closes, then we're gonna see, right?
And I'm seeing that the GBP USD could be going for a larger structure here on the 8-hour or the 12-hour if it continues to go to the upside. It looks like it's fulfilling a much larger structure there.
Yeah, I can see what you're talking about. Yeah.
Instead of it coming down first, it's extending to the upside.
And with that, it could easily break 1.3557.
Yes.
And continue pushing up. I see what you're talking about. Yeah, there's a larger bullish structure that GBP USD is trading within now. Would you conclude that technicals give us setups and fundamentals gives us the movement that technical setups has given us? Well, so what happens is this. So we know that fundamentals has a long-term effect on the market, right? So the fundamentals can move the market long-term. So that idea of technicals giving us a setup following the fundamentals, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. That's what happens basically, right? So fundamentals would move, and then we would use technicals to look for setups.
Yeah. And also just remember, it's all about the market structure, right? So if the market structure is up, and listen to the words there, if the market structure is trending upward, fundamentals can push the price either way in that upward structure. It can bring it down, or it can take it with that structure. Either way, all right? As long as the structure is being adhered to, that's fine, because that is the respect that all instruments have. They have respect for structure. How they move inside the structure is differently. Some trend more heavily inside the structure, and some break the trending nature inside of the structure. And that's important to understand.
There we go. 100%. Pretty sure those numbers are being faked. The bureau is no longer independent. Isn't that the one where he fired the head because she wouldn't listen to him? I don't know who fired who. I'm not sure. Yeah, I mean, this feels like a coincidence. It feels like a coincidence. All right. Okay, so the M15 candle is gonna close in a few minutes, and at the moment, we've got gold and silver. Gold is on 4435 at the moment. Silver is on 66.4. 66.4. All right. So they are busy rejecting that area. We've got a spike towards the downside, and price is a little bit bullish right now, but we can still see that there isn't much volume. So waiting for the M15 candle to close is important in this sort of scenario, in this reaction, right? Waiting for the M15 candle to close is very important. Yeah, so we just have to wait, right? Let's see how it closes, and then we're gonna take it from there.
I'm seeing Shira's. I'm just looking into Shira. You're referring to Erica.
But I'm kidding. Yeah.
Yeah, she's got a weird surname there. I can't make Antifar or something like that. 1st of August, shortly after weak jobs report. Yes, Trump accused the bureau there of manipulating the numbers, but there was no evidence. So even he accuses manipulating numbers.
Accused of manipulating numbers.
The bureau, yeah. And look, it doesn't mean that it was proven or not. So it's just it was an accusation, and so it's really important, and it's very controversial at the same time. Yeah. A lot of controversy, because if it's true, then it means that a lot of the others were also fake. You see what I'm saying?
See that?
You see, so which means this one could also be. So it's not proven that it is. So, but it's a very good observation.
No, yeah, very good one. Very good one. So let's have a look at this, Ash. The M15 candle is closed.
That's now on the and it closed beneath the high.
Closed beneath the high. So on most of them, you will notice that there's a week up and a week down.
Yeah.
Right. GBP USD, Euro USD. If you look at gold, same, silver, same.
Yeah, look, so I would now wait now. Like the gold and the Euro USD look more attractive to me, to be honest.
Gold and Euro USD.
Yeah, those look more attractive to me. It's clear in terms of the setup.
I would also include silver in that as well.
Silver, right?
So
yeah,
let's
silver,
see.
yeah.
Gold, Euro USD, silver.
And silver looks like ready, to come down, bro. Now silver looks ready to come down. There's a lot of divergence there, bro. Let me just give you some numbers there as well. I'm going to give you some numbers there, nah?
All right.
All right, silver. 66. Below 65.610. Yeah, below 65.610 to about 63.828.
Right, let's have it at 63.828.
Yeah. That's it.
All right.
And we can look at that through the 15-minute time frame. It's if you go to the it looks beautiful.
Yeah, that's what I'm on now.
Yeah,
actually.
Yeah, look how nice that looks, man.
All right, so we're still looking for some levels, guys. We're standing by.
So it's silver, gold, and Euro USD. I'm seeing it, man. I'm seeing it. This morning spoke about a dollar that could be coming.
The dollar that could be
strengthening.
Dollar strength. All right, so we've got the second M15 candle now. Gold at the moment, we can all see what's happening. This is the second M15 candle. Not much from this candle. We still have our levels there. All right.
Yeah.
Not much from the current candle, so we're still waiting a little bit.
Yeah. So yeah, silver looks fantastic.
And then with silver, this reaction, I'm not gonna lie to you, this reaction is messing up a good setup. The way the market reacted, it's the setup is now a bit ugly in my eyes. So, but we'll get it right. Just need to let price develop further, you know.
Yeah. Look, I'll be frank, bro. I'm still on the strong dollar right now. To me, it still looks like there's a strong dollar coming. It doesn't need to be sustained or pushing down completely, but like at this point, I'm still seeing a stronger dollar. Anything beneath those levels that I gave you, I'm going pro dollar for now, at least. I want to see how it develops. Just look at gold. It's really rejecting it at a high. And the silver price, that's a very nice move. If it can just dip below 65.
I'm on the 1 minute time frame now. That rejection there towards the downside is very sharp.
Yep. And that's that wick there that can give us some fantastic movement.
All right.
So let's see. We're just waiting for a little bit more development. Yeah, that's for Kulukani. Yeah, it's not so much on to buy or sell. See, the buy or sell is the consequent, is the result of the development. So waiting for I'm waiting for, we're actually waiting for price to develop right now.
All right, standing by. So the current M15 candle, I think we need to wait for that one to close. There's nothing much on this one. It is still trading in between these levels. So standing by. So silver, we can all see that silver is consolidating here, right? Failing to break up, failing to break lower. So it's still in a consolidation. All right. USD JPY. Seems like USD JPY, it's the one that's a little bit cleaner than gold and silver.
I don't know, man. Those two spikes there for me too.
I can see those spikes there. Let's do this.
Just a bit more time, guys. Just give it some time to develop.
The
patience is needed here. Yeah,
definitely.
When it's not a clean break or move, you gotta wait for it. I mean, look, honestly, you can go in wherever you want to, but if you want to use skill and so forth and be a bit more pragmatic and systematic, you gotta put some patience in it.
Yeah,
you gotta.
There's nothing we can do. We just need to be patient. Yeah. All right. So this is how we're looking, guys. Standing by. We're on the M15 time frame, standing by. Let me. The yields also reacting similar to gold and silver. There's a spike up and a spike down. Treasury yields, the 2-year, the 10-year, spike up, spike down. So, but they are slowly moving up at the moment.
And as they move up,
Yeah.
See that spike on that yield, that is powerful.
You see that?
Because if we go up to the top there, we're getting a stronger dollar, bro.
Of course. This is the 2-year. The 10-year, the same thing. Look at that.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I know. I for now, at least, I see a stronger dollar.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. I'll monitor the yields on this side. All right. So standing by. Yeah, price is playing around.
Also, guys, monitor the AUD USD. All right, monitor the AUD USD because that's gonna give us a feel of gold.
AUD USD, yeah. All right, standing by.
Guys, if you're looking at AUD USD, bro, that between below the 70 cent 0.70733, that's a good place where we see where it could come down.
Please repeat that again. 0.7
733.
733.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a great place. If it rejects and comes back down there, oh man. I think it could even go as far as 0.70103. If it dips below 70733 and comes down, it can go all the way down to 0.70103.
103.
Yeah.
That's all the way down here.
Yeah. Absolutely, bro. But we need that break, yeah? So everything right now is really technical. It's really, really, really technical. Man. Check that gold there. Still.
Yeah.
Euro still.
I was on it just.
Yeah, that's silver. Guys, that dip 65.610 T. I'm telling you, man, if the silver can do the work to go down there, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. We still have the US Open coming.
Yeah.
So we may be getting some extra push there, possibly.
Yeah, we are gonna need that push.
Yeah. You're gonna need that push for sure.
All right. So for now, nothing on gold and silver at the moment. All right. Let me switch to the dollar charts. Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD. Yeah, nothing much at the moment, guys. This is what happens sometimes, right? So this will show you guys that when you trading the news and these releases, sometimes you're gonna get such reaction, and sometimes you're gonna get quick reaction where markets are moving, strong move, USD JPY dropping 100 pips. So those things are gonna happen, right? And you need to understand and know how to respond to these different reactions. So right now, patience is very important right now because of the reaction we are getting. Right? We don't just want to jump in. We want a solid case of why we're gonna jump in to the market. So right now we're just waiting for price action to develop so we can find that case. You know, you look at GBP USD, you look at Euro USD, you look at gold is even worse. Silver is even worse right now. Right? Okay, there's some reaction on gold now. It was worse for the past how many minutes now? Almost 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Silver is still worse. Yeah, okay. So gold is playing around, standing by. Yeah, no, we're gonna wait for them, guys. We're gonna wait for them. Okay, so gold is above 4428.6. Seems like it's headed to 4438. That is the high of the previous M15 candle. While silver is approaching 66.51, but it's still on the same place.
Still at the same place, yeah.
Yeah. USD JPY still at the same place.
Bro, I think we're really pushing down here, man. I think it's just a matter of time.
Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time.
I mean, I got the 1 minute on the AUD USD, and it's, yeah, it looks like we could be pushing down first.
Standing by. Standing by. Yeah, it seems like, okay, so this candle is going to end. This 15 minutes candle is going to close in a couple of seconds now. So let's see. I'm keeping an eye on USD JPY at the same time. Okay. The divergence you're seeing, Ash, on what time frame is it?
It's on a 1 hour.
1 hour time frame.
Yeah. That's on the gold. That's on the Euro USD. It's on the silver. It's on the AUD USD. It's on the GBP USD. Yeah, all of them.
Okay.
I'm seeing it, yeah.
Yeah, so gold right now is above 4438.2. That is the high. Silver 66.5. It broke above those. So it's making its push a little bit towards the upside there. This is the current M15 candle, the 3 p.m. one. So gonna wait a little bit there.
Yeah.
Right. We reject that, then we know we're gonna drop. This is not the reaction, Ash.
Yeah.
We need to wait.
We need to wait. It's not the reaction.
It's not the reaction.
It's gathering so many contracts right now. The guys, you know how many buyers are coming in right now.
Yeah, this is one of the worst reactions here. Okay. So look now what's happening now. All right, we've got a rejection there. Nice. Silver looking good, gold looking good. Beautiful. That 66.5 on silver is proving to be an important level here, Ash.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Gold also, that 4438, that's where it's rejecting from. It's an important level. Keep a close eye on those. So silver, we have that 65.61.
Yes.
All
yes.
Right. Gold is a little bit further on that. Is it 4382?
Yeah.
That level.
Yeah.
I've got 66.09 on silver, which if it breaks is gonna lead us to that 65.6.
Yeah.
So we may use that one as like early signs that it's gonna go down there.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, Euro USD, that one's struggling a bit.
Euro USD.
Yeah.
It should struggle. Looking at what gold and silver is doing, it should struggle, that one. Let me see GBP. Yeah, it's struggling. GBP also struggling.
Yeah. So silver and gold and AUD USD. Yeah, I wonder, people that took positions before, I wonder what's happening now, because there's nothing happening now. Is there anyone that has taken positions already?
Yeah, maybe before the news came out.
Yeah,
you know,
maybe before the news came out. Did you guys take positions? Let us know if you took any positions. Did you buy? Did you sell?
I can imagine right now, looking at the price action, you wouldn't want to be in this sort of price action. Your trade is not going to move. You might even lose the trade. It's not going to move. Yeah, it has been. I wonder what the reports are saying, like on Bloomberg and all of that.
Yeah, check the hero there. We wait.
Yeah, that one is a soldier right there for us.
All right, so check the euro, check the pound. See the euro coming down a bit now. Silver and gold.
You see that? So my question was, people that took buys here, on silver and gold. Right now, I don't know, but I wouldn't want to be in this position. Unless you closed quickly. Yeah. Ezekiel, yes, I took a buy mid profits. Okay, no, that's good. That's good. As long as you closed too early before all of this, before all of this.
That had to be around what? So, and we had to be short term.
Yeah.
Small movements.
Really short term. Yeah.
Yeah.
I sold them blown their car. Hey, yeah, you see now. Joseph, I sold and blown the account on gold. Yeah.
Hey Joe.
It's a problem because we have not even executed a position here. Trading is a lot like fishing. All you gotta do is to apply the bait on the line, cast the line out to the water, and then wait for the fish. The waiting can take time, but
hey Joe, man. Joe.
Yeah, Joe. Yeah. No, but look, Joe, this is the first time we see you here, so we'd assume that you are new, right? If you're new, we welcome you. But don't worry, there's a learning curve, you're gonna learn from there. So this one of the reasons why we don't take the position before the news comes out, because it's like you are guessing. It's like you're guessing where the market will go. So what we do, we don't guess where the market will go, right? We need a solid case. And yeah, so we are slowly finding it at the moment. So hence we don't enter before. But don't worry, you learn from such. Watch us again on the next NFP, next CPI to see how we do things.
Yeah, and just remember, guys, our stance with what we're doing now is because of the NFP and the CPI. But if there's no data, then how we execute trades is totally different.
Totally different.
All right. The only reason why we execute like this with the CPI and NFP is because of the volatility, the aggression. That's the purpose.
Yes.
Any other day, man, it's a different way. Different way.
Totally different. Totally different. Almost blew my account on a buy. Yeah, these buys before. Hey, yeah, no.
See, AUD USD still trying to push up. Yeah, but it's sitting at a resistance.
At a resistance.
Yeah, AUD is sitting at a resistance.
No, definitely. Let's give it up for Joseph, a new subscriber.
Yeah,
welcome, my brother.
Welcome, Joe.
Yeah, let's push this thing.
Welcome, Joe.
Yeah, welcome. Okay. So the USD JPY, gold and silver are going down at the same time. Correlation is off.
It's off.
Point here, yeah.
Yeah, it's off. It's off.
It's off at the moment. So we wait a little bit. Yo, there's fighting happening here. My goodness. Sure. Hey, that silver and that gold, Ash. That silver is calling my name. Yeah, GBP USD, Euro USD, they're struggling, these ones. AUD USD, I can see that high you spoke about there. It's right there.
And silver's coming down very nicely.
Silver is calling my name.
Yeah, guys, correlation is off.
Yeah.
Correlation is off.
So maybe 95% of you guys that have been with us, you understand how we do things, right? The ones who are new, this is how we do things. Not only do we look at the reaction and all of that, we also look at correlation as well, right? Everything has to be on point. You know, it's like a surgeon, Ash, before they do surgery.
Yeah.
Everything needs to check, right? They can't just go into the room, into the ER, and then just perform.
Yeah.
Nah. So you see right now, USD, JPY, silver and gold are going down. Correlation is off. What do? We wait.
Exactly. The correlation is off.
Yeah. Imagine you are driving a car and I'm trying to look for a nice analogy. Imagine you're driving a car. If for some reason your car is moving, but it does not have, you don't have proper brakes on the car. Let's put it. You don't have proper brakes on the car. You're not gonna drive that car, right? You can force things, but you're not gonna drive that car, right? So that was a whack example. Yeah, no, Silver's calling my name. Yeah, Silver's calling my name. That was a whack example. All right. Yeah, that's Silver Ash. I'm telling you.
Hey, Bria. Silver be calling my name.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I know. My eyes are on silver.
Yeah, it looks far better than all of them. That's the truth.
All right, so let's decipher this. Okay, so silver, we have 65.61, guys, right? A break below 65.61, that's where we anticipate momentum is gonna drop. Yeah, no, it's a weak one. Yeah, no, Chris, I'm with you. I felt it when I was saying it. I felt it's a whack one. It's a whack. Yeah, no, let's abandon it. It's a whack. What was I saying? I even forgot. Oh yes. So that's 65.61. We're anticipating price will drop further once it breaks that level. So anything above that, it could still play around. Yeah, once it breaks 65.61, we could continue going down. All right. Yep.
Chris, I'm seeing why.
Yeah, it's whack. It's a whack. It's a whack one.
Abandon your example.
Yeah.
Abandon.
No. Yeah.
Hey,
No.
that's a very strong word, you know.
No, I'll try again. Yeah.
All right, guys. Silver's still trying to, go down. I mean, it's a fight. I mean, this, does the technicals prevail? Does the fundamental? You see, it's a fight.
You know what's gonna happen, Ash? What's gonna happen is the movement is gonna develop.
Yeah.
The market's gonna move an hour from now. You'll see.
Yeah. It's one of those.
It's one of those.
It's one of those. Right now, the buys are in. I'm telling you, on AU, it's in. If by 15:30 this thing comes down, those stop losses are out. All of them. They're taken out.
See that?
Yeah. So guys, look, we got a couple of minutes left until 15:30.
There's nothing we can do, guys.
We
You
gotta
guys
wait.
What we gotta do is we already have levels, Ash.
Yeah.
Just waiting for price to move towards those levels and break those levels. Yeah. What a CPI.
So guys, expect some crazy news with the cuts because we've been waiting for hikes. So don't be surprised if you see a cut coming. See what I'm saying, bro? Because that's going to flip the script completely.
Wait, a cut?
Yeah. If there's no inflation, then why hike it? You know what I'm saying? If the inflation is, look at that oil price, right? It's now at a high at $88, the crude.
Yeah.
So if we extend to the downside, bro, from 88 and we come down to maybe 80, that means that inflation comes down. And I also saw that the inventories of the US is up, the oil inventories. So the supply is up. Is up. So that decreases the demand for it. You see, and if it decreases demand, It means that there's enough to manufacture, there's enough oil, there's no shortage. So prices stay low. So instead of going hike, surprise everybody, go down. And that then feeds into the narrative of Trump.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't be surprised if we see that coming. Because everything as we see now is supposed to push to the upside, bro. We're supposed to, according to the 60% of hikes, the oil going up, we're supposed to get a higher inflation mark, you know?
Yep.
And we're supposed to get a bit more jobs there now, as an example, right? More spending. But it's the opposite. The entire week last week was bad for the dollar. You see what I'm saying?
It was bad for the dollar.
You see. So, but that yields that you had on just now,
Yeah.
that spike, you see, now that thing there, that could be the...
And price is going to...
Yeah, I can see it. Exactly, brother. So I'm still pro dollar right now, right? But, you know, we may get a total opposite, which is interesting. You know? I'm just trying to see it from different angles, you know, bro.
Yeah, like,
you know,
like looking at these different scenarios.
Yeah, absolutely. And guys, that's what it means to be a trader. We gotta look at different, perspectives. I mean, look at that Euro USD now, brother. Look at that. Look at that sucker. That 15-minute candle. We just had a rejection there.
Yeah, look AUD USD. Look what they're doing
exactly,
now, guys.
bro.
There
That's
we
exactly. Look at that silver now.
There we go.
So I'm definitely still pro dollar right now, but I would not be surprised the next couple of days we see a cut coming. No, it's been decided. The cut's coming. Looks like inflation is under control. Supply is there. You know what I'm saying, bro? I wouldn't be surprised, bro.
So the yearly print now, where is it? Is it 3.4%? CPI year on year.
Yeah.
Okay, 3.4%.
Yeah.
It's still a little bit high.
Yeah.
Above their 2% target.
But it's August now. Remember?
It's August.
You see, it's August. So there's still a lot of time to play with, bro. I mean, they can aggressively go 0.75. These guys are crazy, bro. Remember how they cut all the... When was it so high? Where they cut, bro? We were doing CPI as well. We're doing CPI.
The last time they cut...
It
was a long time ago.
But they cut aggressively in that year. You see. So it's not out or not far stretched for them to do that, bro. They've done it before. If they make or come up with the scenario, we need to get the rates down. They're going to do it.
Yeah, no, they're going to.
They will do it. They'll force it in. How they will do it, bro. You know, if it shifts the frame from, you know, to get the dollar to perform and so forth, they will do it. So that's what I'm saying. I'm not closed to the scenario that says, yeah, it's shifted now a little bit. Looks like inflation is under control. Agreements all of a sudden is there with the straight, and then we see a cut, bro.
You know, the issue of the straight. One day you've got promises, the next day it's just missiles bombing and launching of attacks. So that one is still volatile.
Now you see that. Now that's the point, bro. They have a 60-point plan, a 10-point plan, whatever, and then all of a sudden there's missiles.
You see that.
So based on the fluctuation of that, I'm saying I would not be surprised if they cut, because the extremes exist. There's the extreme of the rising. There could be an extreme of the cutting as well. Both of them exist.
I see the angle. Yeah.
You see, and it all depends on the narrative that they want to put forth. Because it's all about framing at the end of the day, isn't it? Isn't it so? Trump has a campaign. Remember when he got shot in the ear where it grazed him?
Yeah.
People saying he framed that moment with his fist coming up. We shall fight.
I remember that.
So that is a frame. So obviously, you know, from a filming perspective, that frame captures so much strength in a leader. How do we know there's not tomato sauce or something there? We don't know, my brother. I'm just saying. I'm not saying it's not true, and I share the sympathy and extend it, but I'm just saying.
Yeah. No, I'm with you. I'm with you.
We really don't know.
I think on my end, I personally would be surprised if they cut now. But if they hike, I wouldn't be surprised. But the cut would surprise me.
The cut would surprise, bro.
And I guess a cut would be for something, as a result of something,
You know,
which could move the markets. Yeah.
I once read an article about some analysts saying that there is a side of them that believes that it's like the WWE, where things are, done behind the scenes.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
And that was interesting.
Because that's an act. WWE is an act.
Exactly. So there's an analyst that it was some time ago, man, and brought up numbers and said this doesn't make sense, and an economist and said that based on this, it's almost as if it's an act. But still gave the numbers.
Yeah,
See, so
sure.
I'm giving the numbers, but my view of the numbers is that it doesn't make sense to me. That's not what the analyst said.
So you see that feeling? That's how I feel right now with these numbers that we got now. Really, serious. That's how I feel right now. I think it's just a coincidence, bro.
I mean, check that the silver wants to come down.
I'm looking at it.
It's moving towards the areas that we had spoken about. And then you get the GBP USD. It's literally just standing still at that zone. But again, technicals looks like it could be the way forward, at least for now, at this point.
Sure. You see now with silver, that's 66. So it's on 66.0. If it breaks that, then we're going to 65.61. It breaks that, then we know we're going down. So gold also is creating a lower high, want to push down. We've got 4382, right?
Yeah.
Do you have 4416 on your side there?
I
Ash?
don't.
Yeah, that I put that 4416 there.
All right, I'll put it in now. There, got it.
Yeah, as like a prelude to
4382. So that becomes something we can do before. A short before. Okay, got you.
Yeah.
All right. I'm with you on that.
All right. Now the story's coming together, guys. Right? In fact, I just want to go back. No, man, but I think my example was not whack.
Okay.
Chris, my example wasn't whack. I just want to go back to that. So the brakes, if your brakes are not proper, right? How are you gonna drive?
Ooh.
If your brakes, because now your brakes are gonna be delayed. When you brake now, there's a delay now.
Yeah.
How are you gonna drive? So you see, it's not adding up, or well, it's not aligned together. I'll cook it. I'll come back. I'll cook it.
Cook it fast, man.
But no, that gave another example there. But yeah, the brakes as well. No, I'll cook it. I'll come back. So 66 silver 66.09.
Yeah, there we go.
Let's go.
Euro USD still wanting to come down, but that's silver in the gold. I like your 4416, bro. that one looks good.
4416, ne?
Yeah, to 4382.
Yeah.
That's a good move right there, and it's literally pushing down there now. That's nice. Okay, so silver and gold looks like those are the two brothers there that we're taking on, yeah? Chris, retract there, brother.
What happened? Microwave. Guys, here's a situation. Yeah, but now we coming with handbrakes now.
Wow, yeah.
So here's a situation. So my point is, right?
Let him cook. We need that soundbite.
Yeah, no, we're gonna get it.
Yeah.
I hope there's no what's this on that
copyright infringement.
Yeah, copyright.
Let him cook.
Yeah, no. Let me air fry it quickly. Let me barbecue it quickly. I'll be back. We're just watching silver now and gold, right?
So yeah, that 4416. So Shera, yes, that 4416, man. That's a very that's nice.
Yeah. Now you see where silver is below 66.09 now, right? We've got 65.60. So
610.
Yeah, 610. Sorry. So between 6.0 to 65, that could be a small risk in there. But once it breaks 65.61, we can go a little bit heavy. Right? Yeah, that's the idea that I have at the moment. So yeah, so things are looking good now.
Yep.
Things are looking good.
And it's 15.23 now.
15.23. 15.23 now. All right. So things are looking good. So silver, gold, we are approaching 4416.5. Standing by. Yes, not now. Let's have a look at that gold. Yeah, okay. Standing by. Definitely standing by.
I can break with my gears.
Break with gears. Yeah, no, that you can. That I know that you can.
But does it stop fully? It doesn't stop fully.
It doesn't. And what you can also do is with your handbrake, obviously you can do that. With the gears, you can do that as well. But if you pull your handbrake up and down, right?
Yeah.
It is gonna stop. Instead of just pushing, putting up, it upside one way. It's just up and down. Yeah, no, look, silver is dropping. That's good. Gold is dropping. That's good. There we go.
Muy, lekker.
This is what you're talking about. Now, this is the story now. No, I'm going to marinate it. I'm coming back. I'm going to cook it. For now, we're cooking silver and gold.
Yeah. Come.
No, I'm in with a small position, Ash, on silver.
All right.
When it broke that 6.6. Gold starting to move now.
Yeah.
So that 4416, some scalps. We look at some scalps there.
That gold wants to break the 6.4. There we go. There's the gold now.
Yeah, there we go, guys.
There's a sweet spot right there.
So I'm already on in silver, right? So that's 65.610. That's where you go. So I'm already in on silver. It's looking good right now. Gold. Gold is below 4416.
Pro dollar.
There we go. There we go. Waited almost an hour-ish.
Yeah.
No, there we have it, guys. There we go. So gold is below 4416. Some quick scalps in and out. Silver is looking good. Silver hasn't gone to 6.5 though.
Yeah, silver is not. Gold is Pansu.
Yeah. All right, standing by. Hey, Tato, excuse us.
I almost ended up. What did it say? Sounds like some of you have. Hey, that 1.1 Uno.
1.1 Uno.
Nice.
Yo, do people still remember Uno? What an Uno is?
I don't know. I don't know. But
Okay.
I know we have some Uno drivers here. In all the smarty colors. They are here.
All this multi.
There's someone in the chat that's driven an Uno. I know it for it's
Uno.
Guys, come on, let us know there. Where's the Unos? Who drove an Uno? The blue one or the yellow one?
There's nothing wrong with an Uno, guys.
The blue and the yellow was the popular smarty ones, eh?
Blue and yellow, really? A yellow Uno.
Yeah, yellow Uno, bro.
Yeah. I know an Uno.
And there was white ones, yeah, the white, yellow, blue.
Ah.
I'm not so sure about the red, man. I haven't.
Yeah, I don't remember the colors.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, Uno. I guess Uno back in the days it was the thing, before proper cars after that came. It was the thing,
Yeah.
I guess, hey, look, stand by the corner there and then you do your thing, The ladies come to you. Okay, so that's how we're looking, Ash. So silver is below 6.6. Probabilities are high. We're going to 6.5. Gold is rejecting 4416 at the moment. Momentum is still bearish. Just a matter of time.
Yeah.
Just a matter of time. Yo, Uno table. There was Uno had a table.
Yeah, Uno table, absolutely.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, and what was the Yeah, I guess we need to Google these things, like the horsepower. What was Uno's horsepower?
But I don't think
and torque?
I don't think it was a turbo, man. It was probably just said turbo because it was quicker. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe the guys will tell me here. But if they made a new modernized Uno, I'm telling you, people would buy that thing. They make it like a mini, like the luxury. And so I think people would buy the Uno, bro.
Really?
I'm telling you, bro.
Wasn't I know an Uno, but like was it a Ford or like
Fiat Uno.
Fiat Uno?
Yeah. Guys, I'm right, nah?
I don't think people would buy it.
They would, bro. Uno, bro. They'll buy that thing, bro. Especially students, bro.
It's so small, as if like it's still downloading. It's so small as if it's still down. Nah, but I don't think. Or a Fiat Uno turbo.
Yeah, Fiat Uno.
Really, 0-200 in 8
turbocharged. Oh, it was turbocharged. Four cylinder. Oh, interesting.
It took
85 kilowatts.
Wait, Mark says let's say 9 seconds from 0 to 100. Nah, I don't think. Nah. Uno. I would say maybe 14 seconds.
And the guys here, listen here. There were some of them. They drove the Uno. They just don't want to say it here.
No. Some say.
Only Mark said his friend had. Maybe, but Mark, you told me before you also had a Uno, man. There was the Uno. They are here. There's about 77 people watching. There had to be someone with an Uno here.
Oh. Yeah, the legendary Uno.
The legendary Uno, man.
Yet Uno. The Pacer Blue.
But I mean, just look at the Mini, bro. Mr. Bean Mini.
Yeah.
And now luxury Mini. I'm telling you, bro. If they upgrade that Uno, the people will buy this for their kids. Varsity.
They put like a panoramic sunroof there, or maybe a proper sunroof there. Yeah, they're gonna put a sunroof in there. They're gonna give you options.
If the Chinese get hold of an Uno, Fiat Uno, it's over.
Yeah,
they'll put a panoramic there.
Panoramic there. They give you nice daytime lights, daytime running lights.
They make it automatic.
They hoist some nice, gears in there.
They're Brett. Fiat Uno, yes, I told you.
Fiat Uno.
I told you, Brett. What color? Was it the Smarty Blue?
They will put 4 pipes, maybe 2 pipes in there. I don't think they're gonna put 4 pipes. I don't think the engine is gonna handle that.
Guys, check that gold price now.
Yeah, I'm checking it. I'm checking it. Let's go.
Yeah. I'm in on that gold, brother. You know the gold as well?
Yeah, no, silver.
You in silver. I'm in gold, man. I'm in gold.
It's looking nice, bro.
It's looking good. The FX pairs, man, they're a bit slow today. They're a bit slowish, they're a bit slowish.
No, silver is looking nice. I'm chilling with it.
Yeah, silver is lacquer. Gold is lacquer.
Yeah, so I'm scalping that move. Then I'll wait for it to go to 65. So for this scalp, I'm gonna close the scalp. I'll wait for it to go to 65.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna wait for it to go to 65, and then I scalped that move from 66 down, waiting for 65 now. I think 2 pipes on an Uno would work.
Bro, it's so small for that 2 pipes. Man.
Yeah, imagine 4 pipes. Nice.
Yeah, no,
too small for a 4 pipe. My friend in an Uno would see the sound system. Yeah, back in the days, the sound system. I guess it's still a thing.
Yeah.
Even today, but.
So gold lacquer, silver nice. Euro USD also nice for me, bro. I'm actually liking it.
Okay.
I went in now with Euro USD, and I'm gonna get out around 1.15369.
15369.
Yeah,
okay,
just a short scalp down about 17 points. 17 points down. That's it. That's all I'm doing. It's now creating a lower high. I'm waiting to see now. Yeah, that's it. That's all I'm doing with. So it's gold and Euro USD on my side, my brother. That's what I'm in. Yeah. I haven't got it. Still, I'm waiting for 65. Right. You in already now with silver?
No. Yeah, I'm out now. I'm waiting for it to go to 65. So that short scalp from 66, I'm out.
Yeah.
Waiting for 65 now.
Okay, got you. Got
Yeah.
you.
So gold trying to break that 4416.
Yeah, it's trying to break it. And that's a nice look. The US market opened already, so hopefully we get some more downside now. It would be great. That's a nice spike to the downside. Very nice for it to balance and fill up. Hopefully it does that. But I must also say, guys, that anything that pushes above these current highs, I'm not going to stay in the market. All these current highs that I see on Euro USD and gold, I won't stay in it if it breaks those highs. Right now, I'm going based on the fact that prices rejected the high and then coming down. That's it, okay? Just so you do know.
100%.
Yeah. How do you pronounce? Is it?
Yeah.
Is it KGA? How is it? Is it Andre?
KG.
Andre? Is it? Am I reading it wrong? I don't know.
Hey. Okay. So let me see.
Can I just say Andre? I'll use the last couple. Andre 8359. Is it?
Yeah, I don't know how you pronounce that.
KG.
Khanda. I don't know.
Oh, so KG, nah?
Yeah, KG.
I actually agree, bro. Sound isn't much of it. Now it's speed.
Well, now it's luxury and speed now.
Yeah.
Sound. Imagine you buy a Range Rover, you put sound in.
KG. All right. Come on, give me a salute at least.
KG.
KG, at least, man. Figured it out. Yeah, I agree, man. The sound is not really a big. It's now the luxury and speed. Yeah.
Oh, look at silver. Look at gold, Ash.
Moi.
Let's see.
Moi.
Let's see.
Come on.
All right. Yeah. So while we're talking about, look, markets are moving.
Bro, I saw something, Sandile. I took a snapshot, man, a screenshot of what you said, suggested earlier on. Some facts on trading. It was way up there, man. Sandile, trading.
Oh, it's like fish.
No. It was something else. There we go. You guys said the word brilliant, which made me get an idea. I know you talk about things outside of trading, sports. Okay, yeah, we have some chats. Going to say adding in fun facts. Yeah, absolutely. We can do that. Some fun facts about trading there too.
Fun facts about trading.
It's Sandile. Yeah, I'm sure we can a few in there for you. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's see. They learn from the what? Tinnitus. Shira.
Tinnitus of
Gen X.
What was it?
Tinnitus.
Okay. What does that word mean? Tinnitus. Let's see. Tinnitus. Sounds like oh yeah. You've got it there. Tinnitus.
Hey. Okay, Gen X, generally people born around 1965.
Constant ringing in the air.
Referring to the hearing, the buzzing, the humming, Shira. And then we have something ringing in the ears, the humming, the buzz. And then we have Sakiman.
Sakile.
Yeah. Sak. Can you check USD CAD there, bro? Looking for a sell. So that's against the dollar right now, Saks.
Yeah, it wants to go against the dollar.
Yeah.
Your Euro USD is going down, actually.
Yeah, Euro USD is going down nicely. Moi. Pansu!
Yeah, no, USD CAD. I don't think USD CAD is going to go down. Look at where it is now.
Yeah, right. Are you swinging it? What are you doing with that, brother?
I think this one would be good for a swing.
For a swing?
Yeah. For a swing up to 1.3919. 1.3919. So that would be, I would swing it up until but it's like 5 pips. My goodness. Where the market is now. Yeah, so you see the M15 candle, it's rejecting this low right now. It successfully rejects this low, then there's a high chance we're gonna go back to that high and possibly take that high out because there's dollar strength now, right? So I wouldn't look for a short at the moment.
At the moment. Those are wise words.
Yeah.
At the moment.
At the moment, I wouldn't look for a short, but I would look for a push up. Yeah, as long as it broke this low here, you see how it created a new low. It broke that low. That was all on purpose. All on purpose. So if you interpret this correctly, you will then see that now there is the distribution towards the upside now. Yeah. So I would say with USD CAD, we're going up to 1.39197.
The level that I'm looking to go to, Tato, 1.15369.
Silver is calling my name.
Yeah.
Come on now.
1.15369. That's Euro USD. All right.
1.15369.
369.
Silver is calling who?
Yeah.
Our name.
Yeah.
Come on.
65.610.
Ooh.
Gold looking lacquer.
Yeah. Gold is lagging behind now.
It is. It's lagging behind. Yeah.
So the correlation, Ash, USD JPY going up, commodities going down. Now is on point now.
Yeah. And we had to wait for it, eh? Remember,
Exactly.
an hour in, we had to wait for it, guys. But I mean, rather hour than a month, right?
Exactly.
Hour than a week.
Exactly.
So, depends how you look at it. Look at that gold now. Mooi, man. Mooi! Come on!
Beautiful.
Guys, if you're in gold, yeah, that tinnitus sounds like a robot. I don't know if you watched that.
Yeah, sounds like a robot.
Like a robot. Have you watched that movie of Hugh Jackman where he trains robots to fight? I think it's called Steel World or something like that.
I know you, Jackman.
Wolverine, Logan.
Yeah.
So he's in this movie. I think it's called Steel World or Steel Works or something like that. The guys will correct me if I'm wrong.
I don't think I've.
And tinnitus, it sounds like one of those fighting robots.
Yeah, sounds like and that I forget these movies, man, where cars change. Or Optimus Prime.
Yeah. Transformers.
Sounds like
tinnitus.
A transformer. Yeah. Tinnitus.
All right, guys, gold. I mean, look, if the guys wanted to get out on gold, you can, guys.
Yeah,
I mean, it's just scalping, okay?
Yeah,
you can get out of it, guys.
Scalping.
You don't need to necessarily stay in.
Yo.
It's now done what it was supposed to do. It's gone down from where we were. It went down 187 pips. So
what I like about this session, Ash, is that the guys saw when things were a bit of a mess, we waited.
Yes.
Emotions didn't take over,
Exactly.
and then we waited, right? Because we knew exactly what we're looking for.
Yep.
And then you just need to wait for the story to unfold. Gold back in profits. I jumped on again on gold.
That sounded like a play the way you said it now. We just waited and we waited for the story to unfold.
Sounds like a play.
You could have said that maybe in a movie scene or something. Bro, how's the Denzel coming? Because I know you were on fire last week, bro.
The Denzel.
Yeah.
You wanted Denzel to come out?
Yeah.
My man. Now it will come out. Ash wants the Denzel to come out. The Denzel will come out right now.
That reminds me. I saw something on Jamie Foxx. He was, what do you call it? Impersonating Denzel.
Yeah.
And then he said years ago, he stood outside this place and he saw Denzel coming.
Yeah.
And then when he went to him, he was like, Denzel. Then he says, Denzel hit him with the shoulder. He's like, okay. All right, now.
Yeah, that voice. Yeah, that's Denzel. You got a better Denzel than I do, bro. So you must learn the lines.
He's like, okay. Right on.
Yeah, there's Denzel. Okay. Let me think of a line. Let me think. There's a movie Fences, guys. You guys know the movie Fences?
Oh yes, take us there, T.
With Viola Davis.
With Viola, yeah.
Proper actress.
Okay.
Let me just find the line. There's a line that I like about he's asking his kid why he likes. Wait, okay, I'll find it. Let me.
Guys, this is a beautiful birthday present from T right now. I'm about to get Fences.
The pressure. Listen to the pressure. Okay, so Fences, Denzel lines with the kid.
All right.
I'm gonna find.
Okay. Listen, guys. There's a bit of a projection on the gold. Yes, so just watch out for it. Yeah. Whilst he's getting those lines, there's a bit of a rejection on the gold. Euro USD still at a good place. Silver has now kissed 65.610. So a break beneath there for me, it's gonna be lekker. Gold is, yeah, there's a bit of a correction now. Okay, so just watch out.
Let me go to the famous training day line.
Is that one not there? I wanted the Viola Davis one, man.
Hey, this thing is not giving me the exact line. It's giving me the description of the scene, not the exact line. Maybe if you can check on your app.
Well, yeah, but what was the thingy?
So it was a conversation between, I think the name of the character is Troy, Denzel's character, and his son. So the scene is Denzel is asking the son, "Why do you think I have to work?"
Okay.
And the son said, "Because you like me."
And he says, "Oh,
Yeah.
okay, gotcha."
Yeah. Training day, famous Denzel monologue. I'm getting excited now. Come on, this thing. King Kong. Yeah, the King Kong line. I want the King Kong line. King Kong training day. King Kong ain't got on me. This thing. Yeah, we're getting there, guys, right? Just a second. We're still on gold and silver. Don't worry.
Tairo, did you execute anything on Euro USD? Because it's still looking pretty good at this point. Yeah, it's still looking pretty good. I'm watching it here.
All right, let's see. Yeah, Sandile, that's the one. You see that line? That's the one. Which part of me working?
But I think the charts aren't showing yet.
What?
The charts.
Charts are not showing.
Guys, is the chart showing there on your side?
Wait. Yeah, they are showing.
Now they show. Oh, wait, let me see.
Oh wait, sorry, they were not showing. I don't know what happened. Apologies, guys. I don't know what happened there.
Yes, we do. Jonyo Moachi. Yes. All right, Euro USD. Oh, you launched it. Nice.
Screen is blank again.
It's black. No. It's.
Oh, okay, not now. All right. Okay, I think the screen is okay. Cool, great. Yeah, no, I have the line here, Ash. But we'll get to it. Let's see what's happening with the charts.
Yeah, let's just quickly see because they say it's.
Yeah, it's.
Nah, it should be back now.
Okay, cool. All right, so let's see what happened. Now, silver rejected 65.610. Gold broke 4416, went a little bit towards the downside, so there was a scalp there. Now there's a bit of rejection now. All right, there's a bit of a rejection now. So now just gotta wait a little bit now. All right. In fact, is the setup complete here, Ash?
On what? On
gold.
No.
Silver didn't break, but you got
break.
some scalps there.
Yeah. No, I think there's a correction happening now. Yeah, there's a correction happening now, bro.
Okay. Okay, standing by. Yeah, no, scalped silver, below 66. Gold just a little bit on 4416. And then, yeah, but as long as USD JPY is going up, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. You got in 4414.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mark, you should have been in, that should have been a scalp. So you should have been in profit there.
Yeah.
Yeah, should have been in profit. Remember, just a scalp. Scalp in and out. In and out.
Yeah, if you're going to be holding, remember, if you're going to be holding, that's now going into day trading and swinging. Scalping is in and out.
Yeah, so silver, scalped silver. Down. So that was a quick scalp on gold below 4416. Just a quick scalp. You know, so this current rejection here, let's see what is happening. It's aggressive. Okay, so we have 4428 on 4428. Let's see what's going to happen on 4428. It rejects, then we're going to go back to 4416. Silver also, it's looking for a lower high now. It rejects, then we're actually going to go back there. Yeah, but there was a quick scalp. Scalp there and scalp there. So these were good setups.
Yeah.
Good setups.
All right, I'm seeing something from, is it Jonior Moachi? How did the CPI go on your side? Yeah, we actually still busy with the CPI debacle, Jay. So it was muted, no change there. And we waited for, some of these setups to come to develop. All right, so we're still waiting at this point. It's just doing a bit of a correction now first. But we still see a bit of dollar strength that's due here. Okay.
Yeah. So silver is back to 66.0 now. Gold 4428 now. Standing by. Let's see. Standing. Yeah. So with silver, Ash, I'm good with it. Scalped down.
Yeah.
So it didn't break 6.5, so I wasn't in there.
Yeah, I didn't get into silver yet. Remember, I was waiting for the 6.5.
Yeah.
So I'm still in on euro dollar. I am in profits. I'm waiting a little bit. Let's see how it goes. And the gold.
All right. We've got 70 viewers. We've got 45 likes. Thank you for joining us. If this is the first time you're watching us live, please subscribe. We do this with every NFP and CPI release. All right. So make sure that you do join us again on the next one. We also have trading rooms, daily trading rooms, Mondays to Fridays, daily trading rooms. So the schedule is on YouTube. So you'll just check the schedule there. All right. Gold is above 4428. Silver is above 66. Yeah. I think our setup is done, Ash.
You think it's done?
I think it's done.
Think we're gonna continue to the upside now?
We could or not, maybe not, but that move we wanted, we got it. Just that silver didn't break 6.5, but it broke 6.6. Gold didn't break 4.3, but it broke 4.41. Yeah, I think this. I think the setup is complete now. It's complete. So we could be going up, or we could still go down. We just need to wait.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait a bit on gold. I want to see what it does at that high.
Okay.
Yeah, because I see the GBP USD and AUD USD. There could still be some downside here, so that's what I'm.
Got you.
Yeah, I see Jonior is new here, no?
Yeah. No, we welcome you.
Jonior, Mr. J.
Yeah,
we
Mr.
welcome
J,
you.
we welcome you. Yeah, welcome to the community.
Yeah.
Subscribe and yeah.
Brighton, UK. Shira, yeah, I am. I'm still in gold. It's doing a bit of a correction there now, so I'm waiting for it. The most recent high is my limit on this one. If gold pushes above there, I will not stay in, and I'm also in the euro dollar.
Oh, let's have a look at what GBP USD is doing, euro dollar is doing. Yeah, euro dollar went down nicely. Oh, yeah, went down nicely. Nice one, that one.
Yeah, actually much better on the euro dollar than the others.
Yeah, the setup for me on silver, it's done.
It's done.
So we just need to wait to see if it will go back to 6.5. But that setup is done. Gold is reacting aggressively towards the upside.
Yeah, I think that's a lower high on gold.
Trying to form a lower high.
Yeah, I think that's a lower high. Only if it pushes past those highs,
Yeah.
Yeah, but other than that, I'm staying put. Staying inside. Junior, so signal, man. We don't provide any signals, my friend. No, we don't provide signals. All right, very important for us. All right.
All right. So it's the waiting game now again, right? Yeah. I don't want to lie to you guys. I enjoyed this session because you guys saw from how things were messy to when they now started being proper now. How price action came alive and all of that. Sometimes you don't need to force things. If whatever you're looking at doesn't make sense at that point in time, chances are the structure is still developing, price action is still developing. So you need to wait a little bit for price action to develop, so that you are able to see and recognize these formations and structure, right? So that's exactly what we did here. So continue, exercise patience and discipline, and you guys will see. You're going to fly from there. Then consistency. You're going to work on consistency after that. All right.
And that's it, the consistency. Yeah. That's what kills the guys.
Yeah. So we are waiting now. We are waiting. Yeah, so if silver breaks 65.61, then scalps are gonna be from that level. We're gonna get some scalps from that level, 65.61. We could still get some below 66, but 65 is a better zone. We've got gold. So gold could still go back to 4414, break it, and some scalps below that.
Yeah.
Right? But at 4382, there's that level again, 4382. So we'll see if it reach that level.
Yeah, man. To me, bro, I still see the downside, man. It's not done yet. I don't think it's done yet.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't see if it's done yet. I'm still pro dollar at least today. And I'm just waiting. This is just, it's like you said now, it's a waiting game right now. This is a waiting game.
I'm also looking at USD JPY at the same time.
Okay.
Right. Correlation is off now. They are all going up. Correlation is off. So wait.
Come on, gold. Do your brother a favor here, man. All right, let's see. Euro dollar still looking good too.
Still looking good. Yeah, still looking good.
I think silver's still gonna go down as well, bro.
Yeah, it's just a matter of time.
Yeah.
Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. But so far, we're hoping that you guys are enjoying. We hope you are enjoying the session. It's also educational at the same time, right? So, yeah, it's been a good one so far. Just waiting a little bit to see what gold and silver is gonna do. Standing by.
Check the silver now, because it didn't break that support. There's more resistance at the bottom, but then when you compare it to the gold and to the euro dollar that did break areas, they are more prone to go down than the silver. That's an interesting one there. Look at that. So silver going up, but look at gold coming down. So
I'm seeing it.
You see that.
USD JPY also is going up as well. So the correlation at this point is a bit off.
Yeah.
A bit off. We need USD JPY to go up for gold and them to come down. Yeah, standing by. Let's see what's gonna happen. Just give it one more push, one last lap, and then yeah, we'll see. The yields are still stuck in the same zone. Haven't moved.
That euro dollar wants to come down again.
Euro dollar wants to go down.
Shira, how's your gold looking there, man? You still in? Tato, how's your euro dollar looking there? Still in? Why, Shira?
Yeah.
Hey, Shira.
What happened? Scalp in, out. But let's wait a little bit.
Yeah.
Wait a little bit. Standing by.
Yeah, check the gold, bro.
There's a... Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Yeah, the Aussie's stubborn, man. It's stubborn.
It's because of what gold is doing now.
Yeah, it's stubborn.
Okay.
Silver now.
Yeah.
Silver looking to come down. Look at that. Beautiful. Come on.
Let's go.
Those words have the tendency to work, man.
Yeah, no, definitely.
You know, they always, it's a moment it's like it's listening.
Yeah, you know. And if the guys watch our previous streams,
Yeah.
they will know.
Yeah. Come on.
All right. Waiting game now. Waiting game. Let's see who's still in here. All right, we're standing by. One last push.
Come on now, look at that gold. It's attempting to go down. It's
Just gonna wait for it. That one. There's no way.
It's fighting, guys.
Sure. It's a fight.
It's a big fight. We were about to come down, and wow. So maybe just for the guys that, you know, for myself, the euro dollar, that high right on top, you can see it on the 1 minute chart as well. If there's any break above that area, I will get out.
The euro dollar.
Yeah. And the same with the gold price on the 1 minute frame. It looks almost identical. Anything above that high, that most recent high at the top, I will get out. I will not stay in here. All right. But for now, I'm still here. I'm in it. I'm still seeing it, you know, the dollar strengthening a little bit here first.
All right.
Yeah, that's it.
All right. So those are your levels, now.
Yeah.
All right. You guys got that? I hope the guys got that. All right. I don't know, Ash. Do we wait a little bit or?
I know, bro. I think I'm okay. Junior, are you guys buying or selling? We've entered positions. But it's just a waiting game right now.
All right. Yeah, I think on our side here, I think we're good. Guys, this is the CPI. This is how things went. Got some nice scalps on silver below 66.0. It's got some nice scalps on gold below 4416. All right. So you know, that 4382 on gold, you just need to wait a little bit.
Yeah.
That 65.61 on silver, wait a little bit. But it was a profitable one. Nonetheless, it was a profitable one.
Yeah.
All right. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned. Hope you guys got some profits.
Yeah.
And I think we're gonna sign out now. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, guys, just keep on checking the pro dollar. I mean, look at the euro dollar there. It seems like we want to go down again now. So, and that's all short term. It's not like holding it until, you know, tomorrow or whatever. It's for now at this point in time. All right. Price at this point from where it is, there's only about 12 pips left for it to run that I'm actually looking for, and then I'm done.
Yeah.
You know, so it's really not to hold it or anything like that. It's to scalp it in and out.
Yeah. So remember, guys, we're scalping this. We're not holding for too long. Scalping for just a few seconds to maybe a couple of minutes, and then we're out.
Yeah.
All right. And yeah, that's it from us.
Yep.
6K subscribers on YouTube. We are gunning for 10K.
Yeah.
And once we hit 10K, I'm gonna do the monologue of training day, right? I've got here's the monologue, Ash. You see this monologue?
Yes.
But now there's the swearing happening there, which I'm gonna cut out.
Yeah.
But is that training day King Kong ain't got toot on me? You wanna see? Check. There's the monologue.
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, there's a lot of
Yeah.
goedes things,
Yeah.
shandies
Yeah.
happening there.
So I've got the Denzel training day monologue. I'm gonna save it. We hit 10K subscribers.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit this monologue live on a session. Trust it.
Live on a session, guys. I'll be waiting for that one.
And I want you guys to clip this and store it for when the time comes. I've got the monologue right now. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch Training Day.
Yeah.
The last monologue Denzel did on Training Day.
Yeah.
Alonso did. Yeah. That's the one.
What's this?
the
Are
one.
we what? Are we still?
The people. What time is the PPI? Because we have a training room at 3. No, the training room is gonna be at 3, right? I mean, we are gonna look at the PPI, but during the 3 p.m. trading room. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it comes out at half past 2.
Half past 2.
Yeah, PPI. So yeah, so we be 30 minutes after that.
Yeah,
but
we're gonna be 30 minutes after that. All right. Yeah, so that's it from us, guys. It was a good one. I enjoyed it.
Yep. Same here.
So-
Same here. Have a good one, guys.
Yeah, our trading rooms tomorrow, 9:30, 12, 3, and 6.
Yes.
We have the 6 p.m. one coming later on today. So do catch us there. But it's been a good one. I enjoyed this one.
Yeah.
You guys saw the process of analyzing, waiting, execution,
Exactly.
and managing.
In
Yeah.
the flesh, real time.
Exactly. There we go. Guys, have a good one. We're signing out. TD Markets Academy, TD Markets Exchange, Ashley Reeve, Tshepo Makaudi. We are out.
We are out.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers. Cheers.